It's a new 2019 Jeep Cherokee. From rough trails to downtown nightlife, this Jeep Cherokee handles it all with the perfect combination of grit and grace. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, keyless go, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and LED low and high beam headlights. The truth about cars writes, it has a sporty aura, smoothly finished and handsome. Experience the Jeep life. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.